Get ready to uncover some intriguing facts about the Purple Mango Miyazaki, a fruit that combines beauty and flavor in the most enchanting way possible. Let's delve into its secrets. Fact number 1. Origins of this mango. The Purple Mango Miyazaki is a special variety that originated in the Miyazaki region of Japan. Its cultivation is a testament to the agricultural expertise and dedication of the local farmers. Fact number 2. Unique breeding. The Purple Mango Miyazaki is the result of years of careful breeding and selection. It combines the best traits of different mango varieties to create a fruit with extraordinary qualities. Fact number 3. Striking appearance. One of the most remarkable aspects of Purple Mango Miyazaki is its mesmerizing purple skin. This distinct color sets it apart from traditional yellow mangoes, making it a visual delight. Fact number 4. Purple flesh of mango. Cutting into a Purple Mango Miyazaki unveils its rich, purple-colored flesh. This unique characteristic adds a touch of elegance and allure to the fruit. Fact number 5. Juicy and sweet. Don't be fooled by its stunning appearance alone. The Purple Mango Miyazaki is incredibly juicy and boasts a luscious sweetness that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. Fact number 6. Culinary versatility. Chefs worldwide appreciate the Purple Mango Miyazaki for its versatility in culinary creations. From smoothies and cocktails to exotic desserts and savory dishes, this fruit adds a touch of magic to every recipe. Fact number 7. Limited harvest. The Purple Mango Miyazaki has a relatively short harvest season, usually spanning a few months. Its exclusivity and limited availability make it highly sought after by mango enthusiasts. Fact number 8. Cultural significance. In Miyazaki, the purple mango holds a special place in the local culture. It is often featured in festivals and events, symbolizing the region's agricultural heritage and the celebration of nature's bounty. Fact number 9. Exquisite gift. The Purple Mango Miyazaki is not just a fruit, it's a delightful gift for your loved ones. Its vibrant colors and extraordinary flavor make it a perfect present that embodies both elegance and deliciousness. Now that you know these captivating facts about the Purple Mango Miyazaki, you can appreciate its uniqueness even more. So, go ahead, savor its flavors, and let it transport you to the enchanting world of Miyazaki. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, may your culinary adventures be filled with extraordinary flavors and discoveries.